nitong dalawa. Nakamask. Tatakutin daw nila si Jay. Doon na si Jay sa taas. Daddy's not here. May isa na namang naghihintay ng tutok ng camera. Tinakot nila si Jay. Antok na to, guys. You wanna get out? Sige, natulog kasi to kanina. Alright, come on. Come on.
And now I'm having this one.
I need you to put it away, okay? After you play. Did he get scared?
Yeah, he got really scared.
You look scary, Kois.
Yes, go on. Let's go upstairs.
You're gonna do it again? Maybe that's it, guys. Let him play. I mean, play. Let him clean. Last one, okay? Ang cute ni Arlo kanina, sabi niya, pakita ko kay Jay yung aking broken leg. Happy Friday, everyone. So, nandito si Ayla kasi she wasn't feeling well this morning. Tapos, as soon as na-confirm ko sa kanya na hindi na siya papasok, okay na siya. Ang galing-galing na. Pero binigyan namin siya ng medicine kaninang umaga. So, kahapon, binigyan din namin. Tapos, naging okay siya nung gabi. Tapos, kaninang umaga din, binigyan din namin. Tapos, okay na siya. But yeah, pagpahingahin muna natin. Huwag nating papuntahin ng school. Not my water. Silly Kois. Clapping. Clap, clap. Clean up, clean up. Clean up, clean up. It's a sunny day.
Clean up, everything's a sunny day. Clean up, everything's a sunny day. I know my husband. This is the Ninja Turtle sound. This is the Ninja Turtle.
Ready?
Yeah.
Nire-remind na naman ako ng car ko na kailangan ko ng service. To get it, okay?
I think Indy ready. Yes. Mommy ready.
Yes.
Apple ready. No, Ola ready.
Yes.
Apple ready. Mommy, Ola's not doing it. Ola ready? Yes.
Off to the house, everyone. Dala-dala ko yung kurtina. So, last punta ni Sharon doon. Kinuha niya yung kurtina, guys, kasi sabi niya, ako na bahala maglaban nito at mag-dry at mag-plancha nito para hindi mo na isipin. Ay sabi niya, ang laki-laki nito. So, siya yung nag-wash, dinry pa niya, plinansya pa niya, guys. Nandito, ang ganda-ganda na ng kurtina. Can you put her dummy in place? I need her to sleep. Thank you, babe. Ilagay natin yung cortina. Punta tayo sa bahay. Sinabi ko pa. Sorry, guys. I'm very sorry about my lapses. Plus, wala din kasi kami ibang mapuntahan. Hindi ko sila madala sa playground kasi paano? Meron tayong isang injured na dudong. It's 10:27. It's about like a 20-minute drive. So, yes. So back and forth, let's say 40-45 minutes back and forth. Okay na yun. That's enough time na tapos na si Kuya. Tapos let's say 20-30 minutes tayo doon, diba? So, we are good. Hindi ko siya nilagay sa maps kasi I know where to go.
School's on ahead.
Di ko na kailangan ng maps, yo. Alright. Let's sing?
Yeah.
Play Golden on Spotify. Oh, Soda Pop. This is a good song too. Dito lang pala kami guys sa bahay, but parang bakit? Ah, no, it's not open. Yeah, that's good. Akala ko kasi open siya kanina. Iba na pala yung kulay ng door natin. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Lahat gising. I was hoping na Indy would sleep. Pero nope. She's awake. So let's go everyone. Oh, by the way guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung pool. Yung pool natin ay ibang-iba na siya. Malinis na siya mga guys. They've been working on it since, oh my gosh, since oh my gosh, 2 weeks now. Kasi they checked it on the 1st of September. So, last Monday. Tapos 3 araw na lang, Monday na ulit. So, magto 2 weeks na silang working on the pool. So, it's a salt pool now. I think that's what you call it. Kasi they put a lot of salt. Like bags and bags of salt. Yun yung nirecommend nung pool guy nung chinek niya yung pool. So, they cleaned it. They put salt in it.
I think it's a big pack of salt.
Yeah, a big bag.
I don't know why. I think
you can't see the salt anymore. It's already in the pool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's mixed. Because now it's clear.
Yeah. And sabi ko sa previous update ko na Thursday, it should be on the market. It's not yet. Kasi natapos malinis sina ate kagabi. Can you help him please? Yeah, sure. Natapos sila ate maglinis kagabi. Ano na guys, 7:30 na ng gabi. Hindi na nga ako bumalik eh. Si Dan na lang yung bumalik. And wala na, madilim na. Hindi na nakatake ng photo si Dan. Lagay lang akalip. No. Good job.
Can I have it when I'm 6 or 7?
Yeah.
7.
Yeah.
No way!
May mga dala kaming snacks. Ito yung dala ko, yung soy crisps.
I think it's all.
Inano ko to siya guys, online order. So sana tama itong kinuha nila.
Mommy, I finished it.
Hmm? You had to. It was fair, okay? So don't complain.
Funny. We got a lot.
Alright, let's go in. Leave it. We will sweep it. Coming out.
She does that to guys.
It's nice and clean, so that's good. Very neat.
Love you, Saki Bar. Thank you.
got your food
Yeah,
there?
I got this. Mommy, Indy do this to my broken leg, and Indy not do that.
Okay.
Indy do that and feel my brain.
Good job covering. Well done. That's how you cough. Well done.
Indy do this and feel my brain.
Yes,
Sucky mom! Yes, I can! Sucky mom! Sucky mom! Yes, I can! Sucky mom!
You happy?
Where's
You happy?
Where's Daddy?
I'll take a photo of you three and I'll send it to Daddy. Come on. You go sit next to Indy and I'll take a photo. No, Indy, no. She just wants to see the guys always, don't you? Go back to Ate and Kuya. Uy.
Wait, we can do it now. Indy, you say here.
Where is my phone? So kahapon, in-install ni Kuya yung doorknob. Ang ganda actually ng doorknob. Bago na siya. Kaya lang, ayan, natuloy. Kailangan pinturahan. Gusto ko siyang pinturahan ngayon. Ito kailangan lang tong i-tape dito, 'di ba? Para hindi ma-pinturahan to. I-tape to, tapos, yeah. Mayroon kaming natitirang paint eh. Iniwan ng pintor. And then yung labas, ang ganda. Ang ganda nitong kulay na to sa labas. Kasi dark gray yung door eh.
Where's the food?
The food? I put it on the bench top there. D? Daddy's not there, hindi yo. Kailangan ko kunin yung bag mo, B. Nag-push siya. So, gagawa ako guys ng updated house tour kasi ang ganda na niya guys. Ang ganda na ng itsura. Pero kailangan muna nating i-sweep yung nalaglag ni Ayla na popcorn. Ayun. Maraming ano dito i-gamit. Nandito. We need to clean up. Remember you made a mess outside? Ayun yung paint ko. At saka ito. Kaya lang parang na-mention kasi nila, nababalik daw si Kuya, yung gumawa ng door. Ang tagal, ilang oras na siya dito kahapon guys. Good luck talaga sa bill namin yun. Kasi ano, per hour yung charge. Tapos ano, from morning, sobrang aga kahapon, hanggang sa hapon, dumating ako, nandito pa din siya, nag-i-install pa din siya nitong door. Tapos nung sinabi ko kay Dan, sabi niya, nandun pa din siya. Kaninang umaga pa yun. Ipumunta kaya ako dito, 2 ng hapon. Nandito pa din si Kuya. Yung kailangan niya lang naman gawin is i-install yung doorknobs. 3 doorknobs lang guys. Inabot siya ng ilang oras. So good luck. But anyway, what can we do? Tapos na. Or I'm not sure kung tapos na. Kasi nga sabi ni Dan, babalik daw siya.
Mommy, I
Bakit siya
have
babalik?
cookies.
You okay?
I have cookies.
Yeah, can you give Alo cookies, please? I-install natin tong cortina. Tanggalin ko muna yan.
Mom,
And
Daddy
then
should be here. Mom,
Yes.
didn't
You're still in pain? Yeah, make sure you drink lots of water.
I will hold your legs for you, Mom.
Oh, thanks, babe. Thank you, baby. Thank you, guys. Uh-oh. Indy's got the broom. Indy's got the broom. Indy, got the broom. Alright, so parang, anim ata to. Anim. Feeling ko tatluhin ko siya. Kasi yung ginawa nila originally is tigdadalawa lang. Parang mas maganda kung marami para yung draping maganda tingnan. Alright, let's try. Tapos sabi ni Sharon, buti na lang ako yung naglaba kasi ang dumi daw. Yung ano, ang dami daw, balahibo guys. So meron ata silang aso. So, ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. Ito yung original na itsura niya talaga. 2 kurtina lang. Pero parang gusto ko siyang gawing 4. Tigda-2 sa magkabilaang side. Tinatlo ko kanina, kaya lang masastuck kasi siya sa gitna. Kasi may division sa gitna. So, maybe we'll put 4. We'll try 4. Happy pa naman yung mga kids. I like that look much better. Parang mas marami siyang draping na ganap. But, actually, hindi siya ganun kaganda. Now that I'm looking at it from here. Tingnan nyo, parang basag-basag yung kanyang... Yeah, tanggalin natin yung dalawa, guys. Kasi basag-basag siya. Mas maganda sana kung seamless siya tingnan, but... Uy! Go play! Go play! Go run! It's okay. Look at Ayla. Aww. Good job, Ayla. She's cleaning up her mess. Good job, Ate. Good job, Aldo. Look at Aldo holding Inde. Well done, guys. It's okay. I got her. Ay, Inde!
That's one right here.
What's this?
Condo Daya. Hi.
Inde, come back. Good job, boys.
Today's a nice sunny day in Adelaide. Not. Alright, so we've got someone coming today to clean the pool. Hasn't been cleaned in a long time. So what we're going to do is have the pool cleaned. And then going forward, when we rent it out, we're just going to include pool cleaning in the rent. So the pool will always be clean and look a lot better. It hasn't been cleaned in a long time and it looks disgusting. But yeah, nice little pool area if you've got a family. I'm still working on the garden in the backyard. That should be completed this weekend. And once that's done, the house will be ready. So it's a older house, as you can see, but it's on a big corner block. And as we said before, our plan is to cut this into 3 blocks eventually and build 3 houses on it. Or the kids will build 3 houses when they're older. But it's a good location, nice corner, and green pool. Soon to be cleaned.
Yan na pala yung pool, guys. Tingnan nyo, di ba? Ibang-iba na yung itsura niya. It's way cleaner. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ay, tingnan nyo, guys. Ang ganda na. They're not completely done yet. So, hindi pa yan yung final na itsura niya. Kasi medyo meron pang mga parang dumi-dumi sa ilalim. But look at that. That's way better. O, diba? Parang ang sarap na niya lang yan. Tinanggal din ni Dan yung trapal dito. Kasi madumi na. Dito may nangyayari din. Hindi ko alam exactly kung ano. But I'm pretty sure it's connected sa pool. Because it's running. It's not gonna be up to the tenant. It's gonna be up to us, the maintenance of the pool. Para sure na ma-maintain siya. Kasi, ay nako, libo-libo na yung gastos namin guys sa pool. Para lang maayos siya, malinis. Jay's finished. So let's go. Let's go. Duh. Say hi guys. Dad's not gonna be here. Dad's working guys. Yes. What? Alright, let's go. Goodness. Woo! Paglagay lang sa car ng 3 batang itay. Well, 2. Kasi si Ayla, ano na siya eh. Alright, let's go.
I'm coming to say, can we sing the golden?
Yep. Ready, guys?
I'm a baby one. You need to
Natulog to si
run it.
Indy.
So it's time.
It's heavy. Alright, let me know when.
Stop. Right.
That's not much. Come back for more, huh? Ready ko na, guys. Ang ingredients for later, yung ano na lang pala, garlic. Wait, labas natin yung garlic. Kailangan ng garlic ko eh. Ito-transfer ko ta siya sa ano. So, ano to siya? So, $9 to. And okay na talaga. Kasi it lasts me a long time. Tapos, nakakagawa pa ako ng garlic sauce na. Ay, buyag-buyag sa ating Inday. Very good. Perfect. And ganyan lang. Kuha-kuha ka lang. Meron ka ng maraming garlic. So, gagawa ako ng pork nilaga, mga guys. Kasi isa to sa paborito ng Indy natin. Pork nilaga. Ang sarap na. Tapos nasisingit ko din yung mga gulay para sa kids. Lalagyan ko ng cabbage. Hindi nila napapansin. So, hindi nila alam. Dami na nilang nakakaing gulay.
Mom, when I'm 16, can I cut that?
Yeah, when you're 16, yeah. So, ito yung ulam namin ng kids. Pero yung kay Dan, steak. Meron siyang steak doon. So, he will have steak with asparagus. Alright, here we go, people. Ang aga pa actually, guys. 3:50 pa lang. But alam nyo na, habang tulog ang ating Indy, ganyan talaga ang buhay, mami. Alright, let's go. So, ginigisa ko yung aking pork. Yan yung ginagawa ko. Para sa akin, it really doesn't matter how you cook it. As long as masarap para sa iyo, that's good. And excited ako sa pork ko. Combination siya nung pork belly at saka yung, ano bang tawag dun sa binili ko, guys? Sa Asian shop. Yung may to. Wala na, tinapon ko na. Pero combination siya nun. So, ang sarap-sarap nitong ating nilaga. Guys, 5 something na ng hapon. So, kanina pa to. Ang lambot-lambot na nito. Ang sarap-sarap natin ang sabaw nito. Lagay natin yung mga gulay na. Yan muna. Tapos maya-maya isunod ko yung iba. So, yung seasoning na gamit ko, hindi ako naglagay ng patis kasi medyo minsan hindi ko gamay yung patis, medyo na-offan ako sa lasa. But I put chicken powder, tapos asin. Yun lang. At saka nilagyan ko din siya ng peppercorn. Mga konting peppercorn. Hola! And my Indy's eating strawberry, everyone. Can you show them your strawberry? Yummy! Yummy, yummy in my belly! Sarap na nito. Ay, thank you, Lord. All I can say is thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for the food. Let's just wait. See you later, alligator. Guys, mauna na akong kakain. Kasi si Ayla at saka si Daddy nasa swimming. Nakita niya na naman na naka-on kayo. Tapos, hindi busog. Kakakain lang, guys. Kanina kasi nagluluto ako, hingi ng hingi. So, pinakain ko marami prutas, pati si Arlo. So, maya na yan sila. Sabay na yan sila lahat. Uy, hindi. Kakain ako. Ay, ni Gara. Sana pala hindi ko na lang i-on yung camera. Kuha ako maraming gulay. Ha? What's everywhere?
The pencil.
Pencils?
The pencil. I made a mess.
You made a mess?
Yes.
Oh, sugar.